Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Vemu Tech Wonders. Today I would like to say about the IoT. With smart devices, the Internet of Things has a great impact on our everyday lives. And according to report, the impact of IoT in devices will immensely grow in near future. For 2020, the installed base of IoT devices is forecast to grow to around 31 billion globally. The Internet of Things users are increasing day by day. In simple form, IoT definition, the Internet of Things is the network of physical objects that contain embedded technology to communicate and sense or interact with the internal states or the external environment. IoT is a system of physical things. It embedded with the sensors, software, electronics, and connectivity to allow it to perform better by exchanging information with other connected devices, the operators, or the manufacturers. The Internet of Things, also sometimes referred as the Internet of Everything, it consists of all the web-enabled devices that collect, send, and act on data. They acquire from the surrounding environments using embedded sensors, processors, and communication hardware. In simple, the Internet of Things represents an evolution in which the objects are capable of interacting with other objects. Here, every device is considered as the objects. Every object is capable of interacting with the other objects. The IoT is sometimes considered as the Internet of Everything. IoT invention. The term Internet of Things was coined by Kevin Aston in a presentation to Procter and Gamble in 1991. Kevin Aston is an innovator and consumer sensor expert. Kevin Aston invented the IoT in 1991. Characteristics of IoT. There are the seven crucial Internet of Things characteristics. They are the connectivity, things, data, communication, intelligence, actions, and ecosystem. These are the characteristics of the IoT. In IoT, we are using the devices and sensors. Why we are using sensors? A sensor is a sophisticated device. It measures a physical quantity like speed or pressure and converts it into a signal that can be measured electrically. Let's take a look at some of the key sensors extensively being used in the IoT world. There are temperature sensors, proximity sensors, pressure sensors, and vice versa. In IoT, the devices are connected to the internet. The IoT device will typically be connected to an IP network to the global internet. Commercial IoT, where local communication is typically either Bluetooth or Ethernet. It may be a wired or wireless. The IoT device will typically communicate only with local devices. We're all listening IoT is applicable in cars, ACs, homes. We are listening smart cars, smart refrigerators, smart homes. Let's look at the smart refrigerator. It is also known as internet refrigerator. Is a refrigerator that has been programmed to sense what kind of food items are being stored inside a fridge and keep a track of the available stock through barcode or RFID scanning. In smart cars, we are applying the IoT. How? In this case, through IoT, the driverless car shares the information about the road. This information includes the actual path, traffic, and how to navigate around any obstacles. These autonomous vehicles require an enormous quantity of data collecting and processing. The driverless car utilizes this connectivity when updating their algorithms based on user data. The Internet of Things refers to connectivity of multiple devices through the internet. The IoT consists of AI, big data, and machine learning. Let's look at the relation between the big data, AI, machine learning, and IoT. IoT is a census. If IoT is considered as census, big data is the fuel to the IoT, and artificial intelligence is the brain to realize the function of smart connected world. It is the future of smart connected world. Artificial intelligence is the brain to the IoT. IoT devices use it to store the data in cloud and machine learning applied on those data to predict the accurate outcome. In IoT uses not only smartphones. IoT devices include not only computers, laptops, and smartphones, but also devices that have been equipped with the chips to gather and communicate over a network. The smartphone is also equipped with a variety of connectivity technologies such as NFC, Bluetooth, Wi Fi, and cellular, which allows it to connect and interact with the other devices Sensors be the brain of the IoT world. IoT involves extending internet connectivity beyond the standard devices such as desktop, laptops, smartphones, and tablets to be the any range of traditionally dumb or non-internet enabled physical devices and everyday objects. Internet of Things. In simple form, IoT is a system of physical things embedded with the sensors, software, electronics, and connectivity to allow it to perform better by exchanging information with other connected devices, the operator or the manufacturer. Hope you get the better understanding about this IoT. Thanks for viewing this video. Please subscribe to our channel.